Roast 50 gram makhane with little ghee. Dry roast 1 tablespoon kharbuja seeds. Boil 1 kg full cream milk. Boil for 30 minutes on medium flame till it thickens. Cut 20 gram makhana into half and add to milk. Add 50 gram sliced badam, kaju, pista, kishmish and roasted makhana and kharbuja seeds. Add choti ilaichi. Mix well. Add little kesar, optional. Add 1 teaspoon grated coconut. You can add coconut powder also. Add 150 gram sugar. Boil till it thickens. Serve hot or you can refrigerate for 2 hours and enjoy. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.